Hey guys, we're back. Today we got another Anker MagGo product for you guys. This is the Anker 633. This is the 2-in-1 combo desktop charger that also detaches with the portable battery pack. So let's get into this one. If you saw my last video on the Anker 622, which is this one, just the foldable portable battery, this is a little bit different product. Like I said, this one has a 2-in-1 capability. So you just see the retail packaging for that 622. We just had something basic like this, but this one looks nice. Looks like you would buy this in a retail store. It's got the picture of the product. It's got the description on what it does. So you know, this looks nice. You know, somebody would be happy if you got this for them as a gift. They open it up, they see exactly what it is rather than just kind of a blank box. Let's open this one up. First, just kind of want to go around. It says that it lasts for an additional 17 hours. I'm not sure what that is, if it's for a mini, if it's for a pro, or a max. I bet that's for the mini, but let's open it up. So got this sleeve here. Put that to the side. All right. This pops on out. That right there. Comes out. Got these little spark connectors down there and a USB-C port and a button to turn it on. It's got the little LED lights on the side to indicate how much battery life you have left, and this thing is really thin. So let's put that back in. Check it out. This is the white. They also have a blue and a black one. Same blue as this 622, but it's got some nice rubber grip on the bottom and translucent spot. I don't know if that's a light, but we'll check it out. See what else we got in here. Let's get that out of the way. That's a thick manual. Reading that for days. And then we have a USB-C to USB-C right there. And an Anker charger as well. It says it's a 25-watt charger, and that's what it recommends using. So it's nice. It's got the foldable plugs. Sweet. And I'm pretty sure the brick and the cord match up to whatever color you get. I think that's why these ones are white. I could be wrong. I just know that they have those other matching color bricks and cords that you could buy on their website and on Amazon as well. But to me, it looks like when I was looking at the product details, the other colors kind of coincide with that. So I got this on Amazon. It was $119.99 when I got it. I just looked and it is already sold out. But you know, I'll put the link in the description below so you can check it out whenever you watch this video. It'll probably be back up in stock. This just came out. I noticed it the day that it said it was available, and I've wanted to check this out. I've seen the brochures for it for a while now, so I wanted to give you guys a first look, hopefully. But let's get it all plugged in, and you know, we'll see how it works. It's a good lengthy cord too. All right, so we're gonna get this plugged in. It's just got that USB-C input right there, and an area to draw the plug out for. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, it's lighting up. Look at that. back in there. How easy is that to put back? Oh, I got it backwards. Much easier now. So let's take a look. Throw that 13 Pro on there. The LEDs light up when you put it on there. And it's also got a spot for your AirPods as well. So it says online that it can't charge a phone down there, but let's take a look. I don't know why it wouldn't. It's charging. So maybe they don't recommend it. Maybe something changed, because this product was on their website for quite a while. It just always said coming soon. Maybe they, worked something out where you can charge your phone down there. Maybe they don't really want you to. I don't know. But it was charging earlier. Oh, there it goes again. So, I mean, I guess it just doesn't fit in there that great, but it seems to work for me. So bam. So you can charge it on your desk, have it light up, just sit there, and then you could take it on the go, and now you got a portable battery back. So like I said, this one's really light. It's just a little bit longer. So you can see this is the 13 Pro. It just hangs off the bottom just a little bit. Not too bad. If you have the Max, then I don't think you'll have an issue. We'll take a look at it with the Max as well as the Mini. So yeah, I really like this. And then you can just slide it back on there. This will keep the battery pack charged up at all times. And whenever you're on the go, just take it with you. So not that hard to put in, just I'm a dummy. So let's take a look at it compared to the 622. So this is that foldable one that I was showing you guys in the last video that props up, so you can watch your stuff on the go. This one doesn't have that, obviously, but let's look at the size. This one's a lot thinner. I wouldn't say a lot. It's thinner, but it's also a tad bit longer as well. So you see that? A little bit longer, not by much. So they feel nice, just a nice soft silicone base on them, kind of like the Apple one, but I just think this one's really cool. So you can use it in multiple ways. You can throw your AirPods on there as well, charge those up, charge your phone up while you're sleeping, take it on the go. I also use the Belkin 3-in-1, so I'll show you that product as well. Obviously it's not plugged in, but you can see the size difference of the two. So if you have a smaller desk or something, can't take up this full amount of space, or you don't use an Apple Watch, you don't need the 3-in-1, then I think this is a cool little product. Let's take a look at how the Pro Max. This is the 12 Pro Max, so you can see it fits on there fine. It's not going anywhere. And then let's also look at the 13 Mini. So you can see how much it hangs off down on the bottom there. If you have it in your pocket, it's not coming off. I've walked around with these in my pocket for a couple hours, even moving up and down the stairs, and it's never popped off. So I don't think you'll have any issues there. But I was reading the Amazon description, and it said that you can't use the 13 Pro with a case when it's horizontally positioned. So I want to check that out as well. Let me grab a case. Again, the case reviews are coming. This is the MOF MagSafe case. So I just got this one in, was waiting for this one to come. It was on pre-order for the longest time. I bought it back in September and it finally just showed up. But let's see. So it's a MagSafe case. It's charging. So I don't know, why their description says that. It specifically said the 13 Pro, not the 13 Pro Max. It said with a case. This is a pretty beefy camera protector right here. So I don't know if that was the issue that they were running into with some other cases, but this one works fine. So this is cool. It's got the light down there. It turns off pretty quickly. When you do use that, when you charge it with that AirPods charger, it doesn't light up. It's only when you attach it right here to the main MagSafe one that it lights up. But this is awesome. If you guys have any questions, any comments, hit them down below. But if you like what we got going on, there's going to be plenty more coming. I do have some more iPad stuff coming on down the way as well. So I know when I started the channel, it was mostly iPads accessories, but ever since these new phones came out, there's just so many cool accessories that have come out that I've been checking out. So if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. It would help me out. Share it with your friends, leave a comment, leave a like. That'd be greatly appreciated. So again, this is Buck Life, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.